Welcome back to Change Your Life. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Jefferson nickel value coins, exploring their iconic design, hidden treasures, and shocking history as we reveal the top 3 most valuable and ultra-rare U.S. nickels. The coins featured in this video include 2013 Jefferson Nickel, P Mint, Philadelphia. 2014 Jefferson Nickel, P Mint, Philadelphia. 2017 Jefferson Nickel, P Mint, Philadelphia. These coins are struck in copper-nickel composition and feature the iconic Monticello reverse design, one of the most recognizable symbols in American coinage. At first glance, these nickels may appear dirty, worn, and heavily circulated, just ordinary pocket change. But don't be fooled. Certain rare mint errors, varieties, and high-grade condition examples have turned some of these modern coins into collector treasures worth thousands, and in rare cases, even more, dollars today. Money bag. So before you spend that old nickel sitting in your pocket or coin jar, stick around, because you might be holding a hidden fortune in your hands. Backhand index pointing right first up. Coin number 1. At first glance, the 2013 P. Jefferson nickel might seem ordinary, just a small piece of metal in your pocket. But appearances deceive. Born in the historic Philadelphia Mint, the P. Mint mark whispers secrets of authenticity and origin. Its Monticello reverse gleams with intricate detail, each column, roofline, and etched window telling the story of Jefferson's legacy. The copper-nickel composition gives it strength, yet every nickel carries a hidden charm only collectors notice. This coin, though common in circulation, has the potential to hide unimaginable value, a quiet treasure waiting for someone with the vision to see it. History, artistry, and opportunity converge in this tiny disc. Once it left the mint, the nickel began its journey through the real world, a life few coins survive intact. From banks to cash registers, from vending machines to pockets, it passed through countless hands, each exchange leaving invisible fingerprints. The edges softened, scratches appeared, and dirt crept into every tiny crevice. To the casual eye, it's just worn change. But collectors see its survival, the story embedded in each imperfection, a testament to resilience. Every faded shine and dent tells a silent tale of life, commerce, and time's relentless march. Making this nickel more than metal, it becomes a witness to history. Collectors know that even the most circulated Jefferson nickel can hide extraordinary secrets. Minute variations, tiny die errors, or subtle misalignments can transform a coin worth 5 cents into a treasure worth thousands. The P Mint mark serves as proof of its Philadelphia origin, giving collectors confidence in its legitimacy. Every scratch, every wear mark, every small imperfection is a signature, a story, a hidden clue to its potential wealth. The copper-nickel blend provides durability, but it also preserves the small signs that make it unique. One careful inspection can reveal the difference between ordinary and legendary. The Monticello reverse isn't just decoration. Each building etched in metal is a miniature masterpiece of American history. Columns, pediments, and windows meticulously engraved remind us of Jefferson's enduring influence. Yet this nickel has survived decades of human interaction, absorbing tiny traces of life with every touch. The coin becomes a bridge between history and the present, connecting its holder to stories of commerce, travel, and daily life. Every collector sees not just a building, but the potential for fortune hidden in a coin that most people toss without a second thought. Its circulation history makes it extraordinary. This nickel has passed through countless hands, each leaving a mark, each adding character. What looks like wear and dirt to most is actually a record of its journey through time. Every dent, scratch, and faded spot adds uniqueness, something no freshly minted coin can replicate. The 2013 P. Jefferson nickel, while heavily circulated, carries secrets embedded in its metal layers. Its small size hides the power to turn casual curiosity into extraordinary wealth, if held, examined, and recognized by someone who knows what to look for. Time has layered it with stories. It has survived drops, shuffles through pockets, coins jingling in drawers, forgotten in couches. Each transaction left its trace, forming a roadmap only experts can read. While ordinary eyes dismiss it as 5 cents, collectors search for subtle die flaws, misstrikes, and rare imperfections. Even a heavily worn nickel can conceal surprises, and the 2013 P is no exception. Its story, etched invisibly into every scratch and dent, makes it not just currency, but a potential key to fortune, quietly waiting to be discovered. Every Jefferson nickel carries silent power. Its Monticello reverse reminds holders of American legacy, resilience, and ingenuity. But collectors look deeper. Faint die cracks, uneven edges, and the specific placement of the mint mark all hint at hidden rarity. This 2013 P nickel, though common at first glance, may contain subtle anomalies invisible without scrutiny. Its worn state doesn't diminish potential, it amplifies it. The world sees ordinary coins, but experts see pathways to life-changing value hidden in plain sight, and this nickel is no exception. Imagine it sitting unnoticed in a drawer, blending with other coins. Its Monticello reverse reflects light faintly, a tiny architectural marvel in your hands. Jefferson's stoic gaze on the obverse is a reminder that history can hide in small places. Collectors know that even a coin like this could hold secrets capable of producing millions. Each scratch and faded edge is not damage, it's a record of survival, a badge of authenticity. This nickel carries history, art, human interaction, and hidden wealth in one small, deceptively simple package. Patience and insight turn a humble nickel into a fortune. Experts examine each coin with magnification, studying edges, scratches, and alignment for clues to rarity. The 2013 P. Jefferson Nickels journey through circulation adds value, making each surviving coin unique. Its copper-nickel core preserves the details collectors search for, even in heavily worn examples. One tiny imperfection could make a massive difference. What looks like ordinary change might, in reality, be a gateway to unimaginable financial potential. In the right hands, this nickel can shift from everyday pocket change to treasure beyond imagination. In the end, this coin embodies more than value. It is history, art, survival, and potential wealth compressed into a small, unassuming disc. The 2013 P. Jefferson nickel reminds us to look closely, to recognize what the world overlooks. While most see 5 cents, collectors see stories, clues, and possibilities worth thousands or even millions. If you possess one, never spend it lightly. This nickel has endured decades, absorbed human history, and waits silently to reveal its hidden power. Fortune may lie quietly in your hands, disguised as a humble Jefferson nickel, ready to transform life overnight. The 2014 P. Jefferson nickel might seem ordinary to the untrained eye. A small, metallic disc with Monticello etched on the back, it carries the Philadelphia Mint mark, a subtle letter P that hints at its birthplace. But don't be fooled by appearances. Every line, every ridge, every engraved window tells a story of history, craftsmanship, and hidden potential. At first glance, it's just a 5-cent coin. But collectors know better. This nickel is more than currency, it is a piece of living history, a bridge connecting you to Thomas Jefferson, the nation's past, and a potential fortune hidden in plain sight. From the moment it left the mint, this nickel began a journey few coins survive intact. It traveled from banks to cash registers, from pockets to vending machines, passing through hands without recognition. Each transaction added invisible fingerprints, tiny scratches, and softening edges that tell a story no textbook can capture. What most people see as dirt or wear is actually the proof of life, a map of its survival through decades of circulation. The coin's copper-nickel composition preserves its secrets, holding the history of commerce, human interaction, and time itself, waiting for someone with vision to see its true value. The Monticello reverse is not just decoration, it's a miniature work of art. Each etched column, each window, each roofline is meticulously crafted, a tribute to Jefferson's architectural genius. Yet this 2014 P. nickel is not untouched. It has survived drops, pocket friction, and countless exchanges. To the casual observer, it's ordinary. To the collector, every mark, every worn detail tells a tale of endurance and uniqueness. It's the imperfections that give it character, that transform it from simple change into a potential treasure. Collectors are always searching for subtle anomalies, and even a circulated nickel can hide them. Minute die errors, slight misalignments, and tiny scratches can turn a coin from a few cents to thousands of dollars in value. The P-Mint mark serves as proof of origin and authenticity. But the story doesn't end there. Even the wear, the fading of the raised edges, and the discoloration contribute to its uniqueness. Each 2014 P. Jefferson nickel is a survivor, a silent testament to its journey through human hands and history itself. Time has been both an enemy and an ally for this coin. It softens the edges and dulls the shine, yet every imperfection preserves a record of life's passage. It has paid for groceries, transportation, and small, forgotten transactions. Each use embeds a story, a hidden clue to rarity, a tiny marker of history that collectors crave. The more circulated it is, the more stories it tells. And sometimes, those stories hide massive financial potential, waiting for the right person to uncover them. The journey of the 2014 P. Jefferson nickel is a lesson in patience and observation. While the average person sees 5 cents, the experienced collector sees clues, secrets, and potential wealth. Tiny scratches, unusual toning, or subtle misstrikes can dramatically affect value. Even heavily circulated coins may contain variations invisible to casual eyes. This nickel is proof that fortune often hides in plain sight, disguised as something ordinary. Its story, its imperfections, and its history converge to make it a collector's dream. Every scratch on this nickel is a testament to survival. Every worn corner is a silent witness to decades of human interaction. Each transaction is a breadcrumb in a trail that reveals more than you might imagine. The coin holds traces of countless hands, pockets, and registers. While common in appearance, this 2014 P. Jefferson nickel carries potential hidden wealth that can change the life of anyone who understands its story. In the world of coins, rarity isn't always in perfection, sometimes it's in the journey. Imagine holding this nickel, feeling the weight of history in your hand. The Monticello reverse reflects light faintly, a quiet architectural marvel. The obverse shows Jefferson's stoic gaze, reminding collectors that this isn't just metal, it's a bridge to the past. Every detail, every imperfection, every worn spot is a potential clue to rarity. What the average person discards as change could be a key to unimaginable fortune. This nickel is patience and vision crystallized in copper-nickel alloy, waiting for discovery. Even heavily circulated coins can surprise the careful eye. Experts study edges, scratches, and alignment, searching for subtle anomalies. The 2014 P. Jefferson nickel is no exception. Its story is written in faded shine, in softened edges, and in minor imperfections invisible to most. The right observation, at the right time, can transform what seems ordinary into extraordinary. In the hands of someone who knows, this nickel could become a path to immense wealth, a quiet treasure that few realize exists. Ultimately, the 2014 P. Jefferson nickel represents more than value. It embodies history, survival, art, and the power of observation. Every worn line, every faint scratch, and every detail of the Monticello reverse tells a story waiting to be discovered. To the casual eye, it's just a coin. To the collector, it's a potential fortune, a testament to resilience, and a hidden bridge to wealth that could change a life overnight. If you hold one, never underestimate it. Hidden in its metal is history, potential, and perhaps the opportunity to transform your life forever. At first glance, the 2017 P. Jefferson nickel might seem like any other coin in your pocket. Its familiar size, weight, and copper-nickel finish give no clue to the story hidden beneath the surface. The Philadelphia Mint mark, a tiny P, quietly signals its origin, but to the untrained eye, it's just a nickel. Yet this coin is far from ordinary. Every scratch, every softened edge, and every worn corner is a testament to its journey through time, hands, and history. What seems like everyday change to most is a treasure map for collectors and enthusiasts who know the value of rarity hidden in plain sight. From the moment it left the Philadelphia Mint, this nickel began a life few coins survive with distinction. It traveled from banks to cash registers, from wallets to pockets, touched by countless hands. Every day, it silently passed through transactions, paying for snacks, rides, and small forgotten purchases that seem insignificant. Over time, its shiny surface dulled, scratches appeared, and the edges softened. The wear and tear it endured is not damage, it's proof of survival, proof that it has been in circulation long enough to create history that collectors fiercely chase. The Monticello reverse on the 2017 P. Jefferson nickel is not mere decoration, it's a miniature masterpiece. Each engraved column, every roofline, and every window reflects the genius of Thomas Jefferson, immortalized in metal. Yet in circulation, the design bears the marks of life, faint scratches, lost luster, and softening edges. These imperfections tell a story that no textbook can teach. They are evidence of survival, resilience, and a silent narrative of the coin's journey from mint to hand to history, a narrative that can transform a seemingly ordinary nickel into a rare collector's gem. Collectors hunt for anomalies, and even a worn, heavily circulated nickel can hide them. Minute die errors, subtle misalignments, or unique toning can elevate a coin's value exponentially. The P-Mint mark confirms its authenticity and birthplace, but the true treasure lies in its imperfections. A faint scratch or unusual coloration could transform a few cents into thousands of dollars. Every mark, every sign of wear tells a story, one of endurance, rarity, and a path to wealth waiting for someone sharp enough to recognize it. Time has been both an enemy and an ally to this coin. Its once pristine surfaces have dulled under the weight of countless exchanges, yet each imperfection carries history. It has paid for groceries, coffee, and small moments lost to memory. Its life in circulation creates a tapestry of evidence that experts can read, subtle hints that could indicate rare features invisible to the casual observer. The 2017 P. Jefferson nickel shows that value often hides in plain sight, disguised as ordinary change, waiting for discovery. Every tiny scratch on this nickel is a story, every soft edge a clue. It is a survivor, bearing witness to the ordinary lives it has touched, yet carrying the potential for extraordinary reward. Experts in numismatics understand that even common-looking coins can hold rare secrets. The 2017 P. Jefferson nickel is a perfect example, heavily circulated, seemingly ordinary, but quietly containing possibilities that could astonish anyone who understands its hidden significance. It's a silent treasure waiting for the right eye to see it. Imagine holding this nickel in your hand. The Monticello reverse glimmers faintly, reflecting the architecture and ambition of one of America's greatest minds. The obverse shows Jefferson's thoughtful profile, a reminder that history isn't just taught in books, it's carried in coins like this one. Each worn detail, each faint scratch, every sign of circulation adds uniqueness. This is not just a 5-cent piece, it's a story, a journey, and a potential key to immense value that few ever notice. Even heavily circulated coins have secrets, and collectors know where to look. The 2017 P. Jefferson nickel may contain subtle die errors, faint misalignments, or unusual toning that can skyrocket its value. The casual observer sees only wear and dirt. But to someone trained in the art of numismatics, every imperfection is a clue, every faded line a potential sign of hidden fortune. This nickel demonstrates that wealth and history often hide in the ordinary, waiting for the observant to uncover them. Its worn edges and faded shine are not signs of damage, they are badges of experience, proof of life spent in circulation. This nickel has endured countless hands, pockets, and transactions. Each mark is evidence of its journey, each flaw a testament to survival. In the right hands, with the right knowledge, these imperfections become a roadmap to value. The 2017 P. Jefferson nickel teaches an important lesson. Sometimes, the coins we overlook carry the wealth we seek most. Ultimately, the 2017 P. Jefferson nickel represents history, resilience, and potential hidden in plain sight. Its copper-nickel surface tells stories of everyday America, of transactions and hands that have passed it along. Its worn edges and faint scratches are proof of a journey few coins complete. For collectors, it is more than a nickel, it is a piece of history and a key to unimaginable potential. If you hold one, treasure it, study it, and never underestimate it. Buried within its metal is a story, and possibly a fortune, that could change your life overnight.